The Yamaha Xsr 900 GP released last year debuted with a new classic look, and now Yamaha is unveiling a nostalgic-style fairing kit, but it's definitely an homage to the classic Yamaha ZV500R FZ400R race bikes of the 1980s. First displayed publicly at the Osaka Motorcycle Show, Yamaha's booth displayed a custom Xsr 900 GP model that caught a lot of visitors' attention. The Xsr 900 was introduced in 2016 as a heritage motorsport model and underwent a full model change in 2022. The design reminds us of racing cars from the 1980s, and the body is equipped with the latest technology, so it is popular with many groups. The Xsr 900 GP is a model that is planned to be commercially available by equipping the Xsr 900 with an upper cowl and seat cowl. At the 2024 Osaka Motorcycle Show, YAMAHA announced a special exterior kit for the Xsr 900 GP. Apart from that, the ZV500R was also exhibited, which was introduced in 1984 and was equipped with a 499cc water-cooled two-stroke V4 engine. The ZV500R is the best road king from Yamaha, which is nicknamed the replica racing motorbike. The bike was developed as an ultimate replica. In homage to the YZR50000W61, the works machine ridden by Kenny Roberts, which won 3 consecutive championships in the 500cc class, the pinnacle of World Grand Prix Ix. The engine was a two-stroke water-cooled V4 cylinder, the car's first commercially available, with the same 2-axle crank as the 0W61, and the wheelbase was set at 1,375mm, close to the 0W61. Together with the 16-inch front tire, we were aiming for nimble footwork. Sales struggled due to the large licensing requirements required and the price being more than double the price of the RZ250RR in the same period, with only 3,700 units sold in Japan in 2 years. However, this is a model packed with Yamaha's uncompromising commitment. Only the domestic model uses an aluminum frame. The color pattern of the top cover is different, but the red and white strobe colors are arranged from the bottom to the seat cover, and the GP logo on the side has a nice finish. The exterior kit appears to include everything from the front fenders, top, bottom covers, tank cover, and seat cover. It is being displayed as a reference exhibit at the exhibition, and its price has not been determined.